Hello. Hi, I'm Jello from Guinea. So today I'm gonna try to show you how to connect the APIC controller to the VMware environment. Okay? Because like there is so much videos outside like showing like how to connect the APIC controller to the OpenStack environment. Actually, APIC stands for Application Policy Infrastructure. APIC is a controller. Is like how can I say that? Okay, is the way of Cisco to do SDN. SDN is software defined networking. So this controller is this controller. You can connect this controller to many type of hypervisor or like many type of environment. You can connect it to VMware. You can connect it to Hyper-V for Microsoft. You can connect it to OpenStack. But today we're just gonna focus on the VMware environment. So in this lab we have like one VMware virtual center server. We have a Windows 8 workstation. We have an APIC simulator. So like the APIC actually is 3. So the later on I will show you. So let's get started. From here, as you see, I'm accessing the computer in Singapore. Currently I'm in Malaysia, but the lab is somewhere in Singapore. I don't know. so without talking too much, here this is the APIC login. So let's wait it to login. So yeah, this is the login. Then this is the application policy infrastructure fabric. Okay, so here I'm gonna try to log in. So first I guess it's admin, then okay, let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, this is the graphical user interface of the fabric, the APIC controller fabric. So from here you can see the dashboard. You can see the health system, the system health of the component inside. Okay, we have like 2 leaf and 2 spine. Like 2 leaf, like leaf and spine is the current topology of most of data centers because they say it's highly redundant and is really good. So 90 health score 90 is quite okay. So okay. So let's go through this a little bit. So we click on fabric. So from fabric we can see the current topology here. As I told you in the beginning, there's 2 spine and there's 2 leaf. 2 spine, 2 leaf. So leaf and spine is the current topology of most of data centers. Okay, so like the 3 controller are the minimum number required and act as a closed system, and there is high availability of redundant across APIC controllers. From a big data perspective, this is a similar to a hand-up cluster. So here you see, like for example, if the minimum to use the APIC controller is gonna be a cluster. A cluster is a session of 3 APIC controllers. Like for here you can see we can see the spine. This is a spine 1, spine 2, leaf 1, leaf 2. Okay, or like leaf 1 and leaf 1 and leaf 2 are connected to the 3 APIC controller for higher redundancy. So like the spine only talk to a leaf and provide the ability to scale out literally. They provide information on the amount of bandwidth availability between leaf, scalability up to 288 leaf, up to 12 spin. This provides consistent, predictable latency from any point in the fabric to any other point of fabric. Okay, so as you see the topology, right? Okay. So we click on pod 1. Pod 1 also we can see we can see here the health score of pod 1. Okay. Let's go next. So here, like in this lab there is 3 scenarios, but most of us, like now we're gonna focus on the second scenario. The second scenario consists of building object within the APIC via the node-bound API. API is application programmable interface. So like in this scenario, like we will try to build within the APIC controller using like some pre-configured Python script already. So in this lab there is already some script to make the lab faster, you know. So in this lab we're gonna create like layer 3 management. We're gonna create like a VLAN namespace. We're gonna attach that VLAN namespace to a physical domain. We're gonna integrate the VMware to the APIC. This is the most important part. And then we're gonna create a tenant. From that, then we're gonna create a profile. In that profile, we're gonna try to create some filters and create some contracts and create endpoint group. Then we're gonna import the like ASA device package. ASA, I guess, is a firewall. Is a Cisco firewall. Then we're gonna create the device cluster. So let's see. So in APIC we have something they call APG. APG is endpoint group. It's something like, how to say, it's like a group of things. Okay, APG contact and assign network into ANP application network profile. So from here we're gonna try to, because this lab is full of script. Okay, it's full of script to make the thing run faster. So here there's putty. I think most of you know already what is putty. So from putty we're gonna click tool. This is so big. Just try to make it smaller. So yeah, it can fit in my small screen here. Okay. So here the login is user1, I think. Password also same. User1. Okay. So this is putty. Inside putty gonna like access one Ubuntu machine, like Ubuntu host. Then inside that Ubuntu host, we're gonna try to run our script. Then all those configuration I told you about gonna get configured automatically. We don't need to type all type of configuration there. So first, before we go further, let's see. Let me show that everything all is empty here. First we click on tenant, we go to management, like management we go to networking. So in the networking you see like we go to the external route. In the external route, like as you see, all is empty, nothing is here. Is the rule and profile, all is empty, right? So let's try to add some rule here. Let's go to my putty again. My putty, okay. So we go to the putty. We're gonna try to run our first script, okay. So okay, this is okay. Regex PI script, like we build up to configuration. As I told you, like normally we have to do it we have to configure everything manually. But using ACI, you can write your own script. Then you just have to type and the configuration gonna be automatically. So we click on that. Okay, we hit enter. Okay, as you can read here, the script create the layer 3 connectivity for the virtual machine network name VMM. So to verify the creation, we can see verify. As I told you here, we can come here. So you see, in the beginning we didn't have anything here. So we have here the VVM already. The VVM is here. VMM, sorry. Okay. So we create first this environment. Okay, we hit enter again. We see what's gonna happen. So then when we click next, the script gonna create the VLAN namespace. The VLAN namespace called ACI Lab VLAN pool. Actually, it's a VLAN pool. It's a pool. It's like, you know, it's between like one number to one number to another number. So I guess we can verify that too. let's just continue because I don't have much time. So next again, next. I'm just gonna show you the connectivity. Next. Okay, as you see here, like the script will create a contract and filter for the web app and database. Web app and database. So the script will create an application profile, call it a 3-tier app. Then here also. So actually, like with just one script, with one script, all the APIC controller is configured already. You don't need like to put it manually or something. So now we can check all what we did. We can check. So you see we have external management, external route, and yeah. So let's continue then. So then we already create like all the tenant, all the EPGs and everything. So we're gonna try to log in inside our vSphere environment. So this is the vSphere environment. So log in. So this is the vSphere environment. We're gonna connect this vSphere environment to our APIC controller. So here we go to my vCenter. We click on our vCenter. We can see some information. We can see some information here. Okay, so let's try to expand this vSphere environment. So I see we have like one DV uplink, then we have the ACL lab, the app APPG, the database APG, and the web APGs. Okay, so let's try to add a host. Okay, let's try to add a host. So from here we can try to add some physical, how to say, like some physical adapters. Give me some time. So this is the process. Like we're gonna add the host to the vSphere distributed issues wizard. Like we're gonna select like some physical adapter. Okay, let's just try VM NIC is network interface card. So 2. Then here also. So we go next. Okay, it's there already. We go next. We go next. Finish. So here we can see all of what we added. So we click finish. So then let's try to see what we just added. Okay. We go to host. Oh yeah, we can see the two hosts here. We have VESX2 and VEXX1. All of them are connected and up. Okay, here is the CPU and the memory too. So now, like you see, like already like the VMware environment is already connected to the APIC controller. So then, like from the demonstration work session, like we're gonna try to try to add a ASDM. ASDM is kind of Cisco firewall. So I guess this is inside the lab here. Let's see. Oh, okay, I can see it. Yeah. Let's wait this to load. Of course, continue. Username, okay, I think it's the same thing. Admin, then Cisco. Okay. So see the ASDM homepage, the ASDM homepage. So from here we can see the packages all and everything. Okay, so we see the interface. There's one IP address already assigned, and is up the total memory and the total flash. So we go again to putty. We're gonna try to put some script. So where is my putty? Let's just like reduce this window and this one also. Okay, my putty is here. So the putty, we put this one too. So here now we import already the device package to layer 4 until layer 7 services. We go next again. Okay, like this is the verify the creation of the device cluster. We device cluster already. We can verify that. We can verify that here. We go to tenant. ACR lab. Okay, so now you see here. Okay, let's continue again. Go back to putty again. Next. I'm just gonna show you like because I'm running out of time. Okay, so to verify the attachment of the contracts to the service graph, we go to tenant ACI lab, then we can find it there. So let's do that. Tenant ACI app lab. Service graph, you see the graph here. It's a firewall. Okay, this is connected to the firewall. Okay, so you see like the consumer APG to provide the APG. This is called firewall, gonna be inside in the middle. Okay. Okay, let's try to click on the firewall, see what you're gonna do. Okay, in the firewall you can see the property of the firewall, and we can see all those config parameters. So all is here. Let's try device and cluster. So we see the firewall here. Cisco firewall, all is here. You can manage it from here too. You see like the external route and the internal route of the ESA, and all the port are gigabyte internet, gigabyte Ethernet 00 and gigabyte Ethernet 01. Okay. So if really we go to a vSphere client, you see already. Okay, you see. First in the beginning we just had the 3-tier app for the application, and the 3-tier app for the database, and the 3-tier app for the web. Now we have also like 2 more. You know, we have the ACI firewall, firewall DB for the DB1. And the DB2. For we have 2 routes. You have the internal route and the external route. So all is here already. So what about we see also like in this way the host and cluster. Let's close this window. Okay, we go to networking. We view the host and cluster view. So we have the 2 hosts, the ESXi1 and the ESX2. have here there's a VM. Let's try to, okay, just like, okay. So as you see, it's all here now, all finished. So as you see, like now from here in this lab, as I told you in the beginning, we are, give me some time please. Okay. I'm trying. So as I told you, like in the beginning, we're gonna create a layer 3 management, like, you know, a network management. That's mean to manage all the network. We created a VLAN namespace. We attached that VLAN namespace to a physical domain. We integrate the VM to the APIC controller. We created a tenant. We created the application profile. Inside the application profile, we created a filter, a contract, and the APGs. So then we imported the ASA device package. We create like device cluster. So that's all what we do. Like normally you can do that manually, like step by step, but you're gonna take too long, really. But yeah, like by the help of some Python scripting, we can just put all together and just in one click, all devices gonna be configured. So since finished, we can go back to the fabric and see some stuff. Okay. So it's kind of slow a bit. So topology, and it's all connected. It's okay. VM networking. So VMware. You see my vCenter is already connected to my vCenter using dcloud. The name is dcloud. It's online already. So all is here. So guys, thank you for listening. Hope my first video was good. Bye.